Hi guys, welcome to day 1. Nasa day 7 ako today. I'm doing this weekly video to reflect or recap yung ginawa ko the last week. First, training. I did train 3 times this week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Now for nutrition, same for the last 5 days. Actually, nung nag-start ako ng source of protein, it's chicken kebab, tsaka beef kebab, tapos carb source, rice. Yun lang. Ano rin pala, after every meals, meron akong fruits. Okay, so yun nga, Magilbig 3, modified crunch, side plank, tsaka bird dog. Yun yung Magilbig 3 na stretch or mobility exercise. Tapos, yun din. Ito, rin ako mga shoulder mobility, circles, yung wall, yan. And kahapon, Saturday, active rest lang din. Namalengke, hugas kotse, lahat ng magpapabuo ng 10,000 steps. Yun, since it's a weekend, as early as possible. Gusto ko matapos na siya as early as possible. So, parang after lunch pa lang na reach na yung 10,000 steps. O di kumbaga nabawas na yung sa iniisip ko. Ako, at least I'm done for the day. Di ba? Then, eto na, day 7, kanina, nag-weigh in ako kaninang maga. As we go along, i-discuss pa natin ng thoroughly and in-depth yung mga nitty-gritty ng tatlong yan. Basically, dyan lang naman umiikot yung yung proseso ko. Training, recovery, nutrition. That's it for week 1. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you guys. On to week 2 tayo. But still, day 1.